Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later and Siri is enabled, and turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. In the Slavia, start the ignition and open the infotainment menu to the phone or connectivity screen so the unit can advertise wireless CarPlay. Now, select Add Phone or Pair New Device on the head unit. You need the Bluetooth handshake first, because once paired, the head unit will switch to a private Wi-Fi link to carry CarPlay. Once you see the Slavia's Bluetooth name on your iPhone, tap it and confirm the pairing code both on the phone and the infotainment display. After the Bluetooth pairing completes, the car prompts to enable CarPlay. Accept it and give necessary permissions for contacts, messages, and location so apps function correctly. At this point, the head unit switches to a dedicated Wi-Fi link. When iPhone asks to join that network, accept and trust it. This two-step Bluetooth, then Wi-Fi flow is why pairing must start immediately. You finish by checking the CarPlay home screen and launching maps or music to verify audio and touch control work. Make sure navigation sound routes through the car speakers. Then mark the phone as allowed or auto connect in the Slavia's device list so future connections are automatic. If connection fails, first restart your iPhone and the infotainment unit. If that doesn't help, forget the Slavia on your iPhone and the phone on the head unit. Update iOS and infotainment firmware if available. Then pair again following the same Bluetooth, then Wi-Fi steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.